Good morning. Today is going to be a little bit different because today you're doing an assessment or a checkup or a test. So I would prefer that your family not help you do this work. I'd like you to do this all on your own. You're going to need your pencil and your crayons, so you might just want to have all your supplies nearby. The first thing you need to do is get your supplies and then pull out page 25. At the top, it'll say Chapter 1 Checkup, okay? And that just means it's a test. Okay, and this is going to be a little bit different because I'm not going to do the worksheet with you. I'm going to give you instructions and I'm going to tell you what to do, but I am not going to give you the answers because I want to see if you have learned these things, okay? So in Chapter 1, we were learning all about position words and we were learning about things that are like and different, okay? So let's put our pencil next to the red star to begin. In this activity, or in this question, they want us to circle the child on the left. So you have to choose which child is on the left and circle that child. I'm not going to give you the answer. Okay? Now we're going to go to the green star. I need you to circle the kitten that is different. I have 3 kittens here. And I need you to circle the one that is different. Again, I'm not going to do it with you. You're doing this on your own. We're going to go down to the blue star next. We have 3 blocks stacked. They want you to circle the block in the middle. Circle the block in the middle. Moving over to the yellow star. For this one, they would like you to circle the child that is outside. There are 2 children pictured. You need to circle the child that is outside. Taking your paper and flipping it over to the back side, they're going to have you mark pictures in each box with an X. So you're just going to put an X on the things that I tell you to X out in each picture. So put your pencil on the red star. In this box here with all these green shapes, you're going to put an X on all the shapes that are squares. So imagine you're sorting these shapes and you're going to just pick the squares. If it's not a square, you don't do anything to it. If it is a square, you're going to X it. Or you'll put a big X on it like this, okay? Just the squares in this box. Okay? Bringing your pencil down to the blue star. This time they want us to put an X on the turtle that is big. There are 3 turtles here, and they want you to X out the big turtle. So put an X on the big turtle. Coming down to the green star, you're going to put an X on the child that is below the surface of the water. So I have 2 children swimming here. One of these children is below the water. That's the child I need to X out. Okay? And then coming down to the yellow star. For this activity, I need to put an X on the toy that is between the cube and the rocket. So put an X on the toy that is between the cube and the rocket. Okay? And that's all you'll do. After you have finished the whole test, both pages of your test, I would like for you to take a photograph or scan your document. I need both sides, and I need you to send that to me. Please do this work page all on your own without help from your family. Have a great day and good luck with your test.